Ever wondered how to infuse your digital photos with that captivating, timeless film aesthetic, right in Lightroom? Today, we're bridging the gap between Lightroom's accessibility and Photoshop's advanced depth, revealing how to achieve stunning film tones directly within Lightroom. First, let's establish a foundational contrast. Gently pull down the highlights and whites to recover subtle details, then slightly boost the shadows for a richer mid-tone. Next, we'll refine our contrast using the tone curve. Employ a soft curve to deepen the blacks and brighten the whites, adding that quintessential film-like punch. Now for color, head over to the HSL panel. Reduce the overall saturation slightly, focusing on desaturating distracting greens or blues for a more muted, authentic palette. For that signature analog warmth, navigate to camera calibration. Shift the green primary towards the left, adding a subtle magenta cast, and the blue primary slightly to the right for a touch of warmth in the shadows. Finally, to truly emulate film, let's add some grain in the effects panel. Under grain, increase the amount and play with the size and roughness to achieve a natural, organic texture without overpowering your image. And there you have it, a timeless, analog aesthetic, achieved entirely within Lightroom, giving your digital photos the nostalgic warmth and charm of classic film.